We purchased glass painting jewelry kits. This is a step-by-step introduction. These are the colors. These are the pearls. And these are the coloring. One heavy coloring color. And this is elastic.